back to our CEDUTech. So today I am going to discuss about the real numbers chapter. Very important question, Amma. Right? See, first we have to discuss about one more question, Amma. One more questions. Let's see. First one. Evaluate log 125 to the base 5. Log 125 to the base 5. See, you know already 125 to the base 5. So by using base to write the power of this number, simply see, then finding the LCM of 125, and take 5 table, 5 2s are 10, then 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, right? 125 can be written as 5 power 3. See, right? Then log 5 power 3 base 5. Okay, let's see, then you have a formula here, log x to the power of m to the base a. See, log x to the power of m to the base a is equals to m log x, formula. M log x. See here, what is m? 3, right? Right front side, 3 log 5 to the 5 base 5. Okay, now 3 log 5 to the base 5. See, here also you have one formula, then log a base a is equals to 1. Okay, see, whenever these two are same, then the value is 1. See, then 3 into 1, that is equals to 3. Right? So this is the answer 3. Okay, right. So I am giving one more question based on this topic. We have to do, so do and log 81 base 3, right? So do this same model. Okay, na? Right. Next, one more question. Define rational numbers, Define rational numbers. It is very easy, you know already, Rational number means the numbers which can be in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0 is called as rational numbers. Right? It is denoted by capital Q. Right? Capital Q is equals to the numbers which can be in the form of p by q, comma, q not equal to 0 is called as rational numbers. Right? Next question. See, use Euclid division lemma. Use Euclid division lemma to find the HCF of 900 and 270. It is very easy. See, take the numbers 900 and 270, right? So take the bigger number first. Okay, now. So take the bigger number, then we have to divide with the small number. See, the first we have to write down that Euclid division lemma, what, A is equals to BQ plus R. A is equals to BQ plus R. See, this is A and this is B, So now see, A is equals to 900, comma, B is equals to 270. Right? So now apply this formula, A is equal to BQ plus R. Now I have write down 900 is equals to, see, 270 into 3. 270 into 3 means 810. If you do 270 into 4 means it is greater than 900. That is not possible here. So 270 into 4, 810 plus how much remaining? 90. Right? Then take this number in the form of A. Right? So this is here, write down 270 is equals to, right? By using 90, divide this number. Right? So then 90 into 3 is equals to 270. Write down 90 into 3, 270 plus remainder 0. Right? So then the HCF is 90. Right? You know already. So in this Euclid division lemma, finding HCF, whenever the remainder is 0 comes, till that time we have to do the problem. Whenever the 0 will comes, stop it and write down this, which is the position of this number. Then we have to write down that is the answer HCF. Right? Clear? So this is the HCF amma. Right? So this is a 1 mark question amma. Right? Next 2 marks. Write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 in single logarithm. Right? Write down this term into single logarithm. Very simple. See, given that 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2. Right? You know already the formula. Log x to the power of m is equals to m log x amma. Right? These terms, this term and this term in the form of m log x amma. Now convert into log x to the power of m. See here, m log x amma. M log x is equal to what? Log x to the power of m. Let's see here, this is m, this is log, this is x. Let's see, log 3 to the power of 2 plus same m log x means log 5 to the power of 3 minus same m log x amma. It means log 2 to the power of 5. Okay. See, now here log 3 square means entamma? 3 into 3 9 plus log 5 cube means entamma? 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Mean log 125 minus log 2 power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, log 32. Right? So now you have one formula, log x plus log y. Right? This is the latter you can write down. See here, this compare these two terms, log x plus log y amma. Means what amma? Log x plus log y is equals to log x y amma. Right? Log x y means log x means 9 into y means 125. I write down the same as minus log 32. Okay. Now multiply here 125 into 9. 125 into 9. 9 5 is 45. Okay. And is 18 plus 4 22. And the 9 plus 1 9 plus 2 11. How much amma? Log 1125 minus log 32. See, here you have a formula, log x minus log y. What it is amma? Log x minus log y is equals to log of x by y. Right? So now apply here. Log of x means 1125 by y means 32. This is the answer. What is asked here? Single term log. See, single term log. Right? This is the answer. Right? Next, 4 marks questions. See, first one. Prove that 7 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational. This is very important amma for 4 marks question. Okay na? See, first you can write down, given that 7 plus 2 root 5. Let's see here. So before proving that an irrational, then we have to assume 7 plus 2 root 5 is a rational amma. Okay now, 7 plus 2 root 5 is a rational. So rational means p by q form. See here, then 7 plus 2 root 5 assuming rational now, that is p by q. Say. Right? Before solving that irrational, then the given number, given this 7 plus 2 root 5 assuming as a rational number. So what is rational number means p by q form no? That's why I am writing here p by q. Right? So now transfer these 2 root 5 into RHS sum. See, 7 is equals to this plus transfers to minus no, then p by q minus 2 root 5. Okay, now squaring on both sides amma. Squaring on both sides. See, 7 square is equals to p by q minus 2 root 5 whole square. Right? See here, a minus b whole square amma. This is p by q is a, then 2 root 5 is b, then here minus. See, a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. See, 7 square means 49 is equals to a minus b whole square amma. A square means p by q whole square plus b square means 2 root 5 whole square. Okay, minus 2ab. 2 into a means p by q into b means 2 root 5. Okay, right? See here, 2 root 5 into 2. How much amma? 4 root 5. Right? What is here remaining? P by q. Write down. See, 49 is equals to, see, p by q whole square means p square by q square plus, see here amma, 2 root 5 whole square means here 2 is one number and root 5 is another number amma. So apply square different, okay na, to both. For suppose 2 square means 4 into root 5 whole square means square root cut 5 amma. Then 4 5s are 20. It is very important amma. This only important on this problem amma. This step only very important. I am saying again, listen carefully. 2 is one number, root 5 is the another number. Then see, do different separately. Then 2 square into root 5 whole square. 2 square means how much amma? 4 into square ke root cancel, the remaining 5. 4 5s are 20. Right? Apply right here. 20 minus. Here see 2 2s are 4 root 5 P by Q. Right? 4 root 5 P by Q. Right? So now this 49 transfers to RHS. This 4 root 5 P by Q transfers to LHS. See, this minus becomes plus, no? Then 4 root 5 P by Q is equals to P square by Q square plus 20 minus 49. Right? See, 4 root 5 P by Q is equals to P square by Q square. See, 29 minus 49 amma, minus 29. Right? See here, LCM Q square. Okay, then P square minus 29 to Q square, 29 Q square amma. Okay, then what is LHS? 4 root 5 P by Q. Okay, now this 4 root 5 P by Q is equals to P square minus 29 Q square by Q square. You have now in this 4 and P by Q transfers to RHS. See, then root 5 is equals to P square minus 29 Q square by Q square. Right? Then P by Q transfers to RHS means it is reciprocal Q by P. Okay na? Q by P. Then 4 here multiplying transfers to RHS, it becomes divide. So right here. See, 1Q gets cancels. Then root 5 is equals to P square minus 29 Q square by 4PQ. 4PQ. See, here root 5 is an irrational, that is equals to P square minus 29 Q square by 4PQ is a rational number. So what is asked here? This number showing that irrational. See here, root 5 is rational. This P square minus 29 Q square by 4PQ is an irrational, is equals to root 5. Clear? Right. Next one. Right. Next one. Use Euclid division lemma to show that an odd positive integer is of the form 9q comma 9q plus 1 comma 9q plus 2 comma 9q plus 3. Right, see, it's very simple. Solution. Let us assume A comma B are two integers. Okay, A comma B are two integers. Right, now use Euclid division lemma. What is that Euclid division lemma? A is equals to BQ plus R comma 0 less than or equal to R less than B. See here, the statement ends with 3 right? We have to add one more number, then write it 0 less than or equal to R less than 4, then we get this series. See, less than 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3. See, right? So now apply here. What is given? odd positive integer given amma. So from this you have to write only odd numbers. What is odd numbers? This 1 and 3 are the odd numbers. Right? See, A can be written as what amma? What is this? 9q plus 1 comma 9q plus 3. Right? Next, A cannot be written as 9q plus 2 comma, that's it. Okay, na? 9q plus 2, because of here up to 3 only there, that's why I tried 9q plus 2 comma 9q comma 9q plus 2. Right? Next, two point 7 whole power x is equals to 0.27 whole power y is equals to 1000. Okay, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by m. It is important. See, first take 0.7 whole to power of x is equals to 1000. Okay, and also 0.27 whole to the power of y is equal to also 1000 amma. Why? Because both are equal to 1000, no? See, take first 0.7 whole to the power of x is equals to, you know already 1000 written as 10 cube amma. Right? This power transfers to RHS, it becomes power by. See, 2 power 7 is equal to 10 to the power of 3 by x amma. Okay, right, this is assuming equation number 1. Next, for this equation 0.27 whole to the power of y equals to 1000. Okay, then 0.27 whole to the power of y is equals to 10 cube, means 1000 is equals 10 cube. Right, and again 0.27 is equals to what amma? 10 to the power of y becomes y. It means 10 to the power of 3 by y. See now 0.27 is also written as 2.7 by 10 amma. See, if we remove the point, we can keep 0 here. Then 27 by 100. 27 by 100 nothing but 0.27. Right? So that's why we can write down 2.7 by 10 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by y. You know already 2.7 value from equation number 1. From 1, 2.7 is equal to what amma? 10 to the power of 3 by x. Right? See, 10 to the power of 3 by x by 10 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by y. Okay. Now see here, this 10 transfers to numerator, it becomes reciprocal. See, 10 to the power of 3 by x into 10 to the power of minus 1 is equal to 10 to the power of 3 by ym. You know already, x to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to what amma? X to the power of m plus n. See, same means 10 to the power of 3 by x minus 1 is equal to 10 to the power of y. See here, plus into minus 1, that's why I am keeping directly 3 by x minus 1. See here, both 10 cancels, then 3 by x minus 1 is equal to 3 by ym. Right? This y transfers to LHS, this minus 1 transfers to RHS. See, 3 by x minus 3 by y is equals to 1. Take 3 common from this. 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 amma. Here 3 is multiplying here transfers to RHS, it becomes divide. Then 1 by x minus 1 by y is equals to 1 by 3. Therefore, the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y is equals to 1 by 3. Right? So this is the answer, Amma. Right? Now, I will wind up this session. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.